Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Beauceville is one of the important towns in the Beauce region of Quebec, with a population of about 6,200 people. It sits along the Chaudière River and has long served as a local center for business, history, and daily life in the area. The history of Beauceville goes back to the early days of settlement in the region. The original territory dates to the 1730s, when the area was known as Saint-François de Beauce. French settlement began soon after, and the town developed from a rural riverside community into a more organized local center. Beauceville became the first municipality in the Beauce region to receive city status in the early 20th century.
Thank you very much.
That was an important step, because it reflected how much the town had grown in population and influence. Over time, Beauceville became a place where administration, trade, and services came together for the wider region. A major part of Beauceville's identity comes from the Chaudière River. The river has shaped settlement, commerce, and the layout of the town itself. It has also brought both opportunity and challenge, since the river is an important natural feature that has influenced the community for generations. Beauceville is known for its heritage buildings and historic landmarks. The Saint-François de Sales Church is one of the best-known examples, and the old train station is another reminder of the town's earlier role in regional transportation. These places help show how the town grew from a small settlement into a more connected community. The local economy has also played an important role in Beauceville's development. The town has a strong tradition of entrepreneurship and manufacturing, which is common across the Beauce region. Many businesses here have grown from the same practical, work-focused spirit that helped shape the area from the beginning. Another reason Beauceville stands out is its place in the broader history of the Chaudiere Appalaches region. This part of Quebec has a deep settlement history, with farming communities, parish life, and river-based development all playing a part. Today, Beauceville remains a practical and active town with a history that is easy to see in its streets and buildings. It is not a large city, but it has a clear identity shaped by the river, by its heritage, and by the people who built it over time. That combination of history and everyday life is what makes Beauceville worth noticing. Thanks for watching!